Hello and welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time joining me, I do planning, crafting, and beauty videos. And today I have, excuse me, the AMAZEBOX, which is the monthly subscription to Lime Life by Alcone. Those are beauty products. It's like a beauty line that I have started participating in. Not only am I a customer, but I am a beauty guide. So if there is ever anything that you might need, their skincare is amazing. And the reason I want to show the AMAZEBOX, it is a monthly subscription that you can get each month. It's just reoccurring. It is $42, and it is just that amazing. Since I am just starting out as a beauty guide, this is the perfect way to try new products and to kind of build, it helps me build up my business. I know that personally, I like to try things before I can stand behind a product and share it with others. So even if it doesn't become something on my regular beauty routine regimen, maybe it's not for oily to normal to oily skin product, I still want to try it. I like to smell it, see if it has a fragrance, look at the ingredients, the directions. It just helps me become more knowledgeable for my customers and such. But so far, this is my second AMAZEBOX, and so far, I'm using everything that I've received. So it is that versatile. It is that wonderful. This is the March AMAZEBOX, and it comes in a little box just like this. And you get full-size products. The first thing that you get is your March AMAZEBOX, and it tells you about each product that you are getting. And the price if you were to purchase it in regular US dollars or in Canadian. So, and then you also always get a little, like, it's about a business card size, but it's just a little, I usually stick them in the front of my planner just as inspiration and such. And this month it says, anytime women come together with a collective intention, magic happens. And that's a quote by Felicia Rashad. So in the AMAZEBOX, you always get a little sticker. And this one says, the future is female. My fiance, Greg, didn't exactly know what to say to that. So, but a lot of the future is female. We lived in a very male-dominated world for so long that, I think self-care, planning, creativity, and different things like that have become so popular that females know what other females need and want. So first, let me show you the samples that we got this month. You get the Midnight Oil Cleanser and the Serum sample packets. So this is the facial cleanser, and it is for normal to dry skin. And as is the Midnight Oil Face Serum is for normal to dry skin. All our products are all natural. They're not filled with fragrance. And if you were to buy the full price collection of both of these products, it is $98. And you would get free shipping with that. So, yeah, it's a great price. But let me tell you, when you buy the products, like I have the serum, the moisturizer for the oily to normal to oily skin, and I have the face wash, and it takes just one little pump of each of those products. So my products last me, you know, $98. Some people will gasp at that, but it is, if you look at the long run, when you only have to buy it once or twice a year, it's not that bad for face care that actually works. And since I've started using this, I don't use the midnight oil. I use the one that's for normal to oily skin. But since I've started using my Lime Life by Alcone beauty products, the skincare routine, I haven't had a single zit, not one breakout. And I am 48 years old, and I've had them all my life. So it has definitely changed my life. And as I'm aging and almost, you know, hitting 50, I didn't realize how, you know, when you're young, you lay out in the sun. You want to get tan. But I didn't know how it affected my skin until you get older. And so a good skincare routine is not only good for your skin, but for your soul. And so we have the midnight oil and the serum. So if you are normal to dry skin and would like to try these samples, leave me a comment, because I will send these to you so you can give it a try and see what you think. So there is that. The next thing that we got is a full-size eyeliner duo. It's called Enduring Eyeliner Duo, and it's called the AM and PM. If you can see those colors, this side is a light color. It's a brightener, and this one is black, which is the eyeliner. That's my go-to eyeliner. Now, I'm going to tell you, I used the eyeliner for the first time today. I used a little bit on the inside of my eye. I used the AM, which is this lighter color. And it really brightens up the eye. So, and then I just use a little of the black on the edges of my eye. And this is a lip pen, or not a lip, an eyeliner pencil. I've always been an automatic eyeliner person. I never wanted to deal with the sharpening. And personally, a lot of times when I get eyeliner that I have to sharpen, I get like, it's very rough on my eyes. It's very rough. And I feel like I'm going to get a splinter. So anyways, this, you know, I didn't think an eyeliner would affect me the second it touched my eye. But this goes on like butter. Just like butter. I'm telling you, you don't have to press. You don't have to, there are no sharp edges. Absolutely amazing. I'm gonna put just a little line of it here, and as you can see, it just takes just a little spot. Yeah, it is, it's absolutely amazing. The best eyeliner I've ever tried. And I don't say that about a lot of products until I find the perfect product. So, I thought that I found the best product with their foundation, and then I tried their eyeliner. And then we also get a full size, it's called Perfect Balm, and it is a lip balm, but it's more than just a lip balm. It's not feminine looking. Greg carries one in his pocket because it works. I'm a lip balm person. I have one on my desk. I have one on my keychain. I have one next to my bed. There's one in the bathroom. I'm a lip balm person. I like my lips to stay moist. And I haven't found the perfect lip balm for me until I tried this. Usually when I use a lip balm, after it wears off, you know, yes, it's moisturizing, but after it wears off, my lips feel like they feel not chapped, but they feel like they need it all the time. Not with this. This moisturizes, and when it wears off, your lips still feel moist. It's not like they're dry and chapped again and you have to reapply. I like to reapply because I like my lips to stay dry, but I bet I only have to use this probably 3 times a day. And we have several different colors. This is the classic, just the regular lip balm. You can use it underneath your lipstick or over top of your lipstick. And it's just got like a, oh, what do they call it? It contains sunflower seed oil, beeswax, shea butter, vitamin E, and it's available in either the classic or a tinted. So you can get it in a tinted one as well. Now, I don't know if you can see my knuckle, but it's really dry right there. It's just like a callus or whatever. And I just rub a little lip balm on it. Yeah. So you can use it on your elbows, a little dry patch if you have dryness under your eyes, on your lips. And if you use it on your lips, you only have to use it about 3 times a day. It does not leave you feeling chapped and like you constantly have to have it. And then the last thing that we got in our box is called Make Off. And Make Off is a spray. And because some of our products are waterproof, this is for removing waterproof makeup. And it is gentle, but yet very effective. You just take a cotton swab or a round cotton disc, spray a little bit on it, and then just wipe your waterproof makeup away. The eyeliner is waterproof, so I just put a little bit of this on and a cotton ball and swipe it off, and then do my regular skincare routine, and yeah, it's perfect. So Make Off is $18 if you buy it by itself. So if you're looking for something that's gentle and effective to remove your waterproof mascara, eyeliner, brows, this is what you want. The Perfect Balm is also $18 if you are interested in it. And I don't think I told you, but the Enduring Eyeliner Duo is $20 if you buy it separately. So right here, you get $20, $18, and $18. So you're getting way more product in your AMAZEBOX for $42 than if you purchased each thing separately. And there are 3 full-size products along with your samples. So that is the AMAZEBOX for this month of March. And like I said, if you are normal to dry and would like to try the Midnight Oil Cleanser and Serum, leave me a comment down below. My email address is also in the description, and just contact me and I will get these sent out to you. Because I have oily skin, I don't use anything with a lot of oil in it. So, so I won't be using these 2 because I already have my products, but I would love to pass them on and let you try some of our products. So I will be back again at the end of the month when my April AMAZEBOX gets here. And I'll be back soon with another crafty, planner, or beauty video. Everyone have a wonderful week.